In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Soundmojis on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. So guys, Soundmojis is actually the emojis that contains sound. As you can see here, I can tap on emoji and there I can hear a sound. To be able to add that emojis to your conversation, all you have to do is open up Facebook Messenger app, then open up a conversation and from here tap Add Emojis icon. Next, tap right here at Soundmojis tab and there you can select from different types of Soundmojis. You can tap on some Soundmoji, then you can hear how it sounds. You can tap at another. And if you want to send it, just tap on send to drop it to conversation. That's it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.